Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Google Maps route options in 2026. So if you want to avoid highways, save time, or customize your travel path, yeah, this is where it gets really useful. First, open Google Maps on your phone or computer. Make sure you've already entered a destination so route options can appear. Next, type your destination and tap Directions. Google Maps will generate a default route instantly. Now look at the different route choices on the screen. Usually, Google shows the fastest route in blue and alternative routes in gray. Now before starting navigation, tap the three dots or route options menu to customize your trip. Here you can choose options like avoid highways, avoid tolls, or avoid ferries. This helps you fully control your journey. Now check how each route changes. Sometimes the shortest distance isn't the fastest because of traffic or road type. You can also drag the route manually on the map to force a different path if needed. Once you're happy with your route, you can save it or start navigation right away. Tap Start and Google Maps will guide you using your selected route options in real time. So yeah, that's how to use Google Maps route options in 2026. Once you understand this, you can fully control how you travel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.